equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You'll also need a clean workspace to keep your parts organized. First, unplug your Thermomix TM31 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely disconnected. Next, remove the base of the Thermomix. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the 4 screws located at the bottom. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base off. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. Now, you'll see the internal components of the Thermomix. Locate the switch, which is typically situated near the power cord connection. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the unit. This will help ensure optimal performance once you've completed the repair. Using your pliers, carefully disconnect the wires attached to the switch. Make a note of where each wire connects, as this will be crucial when you install the new switch. If you're unsure, take a photo for reference. Now, remove the old switch by unscrewing it from its housing. This may require some gentle wiggling to free it from any clips. Once it's out, take your new switch and align it in the same position as the old one. Screw the new switch into place, ensuring it's secure but not overly tight. Reconnect the wires according to your earlier notes or photo. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our pickup and delivery at your home can make this process easier for you. After reconnecting the wires, it's time to reassemble the Thermomix. Carefully place the base back onto the unit, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Before you plug it back in, double-check that everything is in place and that there are no loose wires. Once you're satisfied, plug the Thermomix back into the power source. Test the new switch by turning the unit on. If it powers up without any issues, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the switch on your Thermomix TM31. If you encounter any problems, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Finally, clean your workspace and dispose of any old parts responsibly. Thank you for following this guide, and enjoy your perfectly functioning Thermomix. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.